I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Elise Carrick.
Welcome to 156 Quarry Street on the Range.
Let's go for a look on through and check how much potential this property has to offer.
This home is brimming with potential. This recently renovated kitchen features stone tops, Smeg steel appliances, and is the perfect place to entertain family and friends.
My favourite part of this beautiful light-filled sunroom is how well it connects the 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms upstairs with the 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, laundry and kitchenette with ample living downstairs.
The backyard is brimming with potential. Side access for a shed or put a pool right here. If you can see the potential in this beautifully restored home on the range with the endless possibilities its dual living options bring, get in touch with us at McGrath Estate Agents and let's make this home yours.